My name's Choots, I'm a London artist. I do street art, illustration, canvas work, paintings, digital, all sorts. I make colourful, trippy, cartoony type stuff. Today I will be using these gold Pintor pens to decorate this bike helmet. I've just primed it with some spray paint so that there's a little bit of grip to the ink, and I'm gonna sort of freestyle it actually and fill it with a hopefully even interesting doodle using my kind of normal characters and shapes that I use in my work. And that's, yeah, hopefully that will work. So I'm halfway. I decided my plan for this was just to doodle without much of a sketch and just see what happened really. The initial challenge was having no sketch lines at all. So I very quickly made a mistake and had to spray over it. And I'm kind of trying to mirror what I've done on one side on the other so it's got some sort of flow to it. The other challenge is obviously trying not to make mistakes, but I've decided to relax a little bit, and if I make a mistake, just refine the line work with a black pen. You can see a slight difference between the spray painted black and the black pen, but at the end of this, we're going to spray it with a matte varnish, which I think should even everything out, and hopefully you won't see where I've had to correct mistakes. It's looking pretty similar on both sides, and I just need to do the top now. Not sure what I'm going to do, but again, I'm just going to go with the flow, see what happens. I think I'm about done. I have been going over a lot of the gold lines a second, third time to try and make them a little crisper, a little bit more even. I've been using the black pen in places to correct mistakes, which I'm hoping when I varnish it will kind of blend in a little more so that you won't be able to see the difference in tones between the black spray paint and the black pen. I'm pretty confident that will happen. The other challenge was trying to create 3 different tones. You've got black, the speckled dots, and then the pure gold. So that visually, although it looks pretty random, hopefully there's some sort of composition, or it's readable to the eye, I hope. So yeah, it's an unusual surface to work on, especially without having a plan, but I think it's turned out all right. If you want to see more of my work, you can find me on Instagram at ChootsArt, CHOOTS, or chootsart.com.